this is really bad. This part of the running board just gets all the dirt from that wheel there. Again, Texas, you get a lot of that dust, that grime. So let's try this out. Trim Restorer Protectant 3D Pro Series Trim Care. I got a little applicator pad here. Or at least they'll cover it up pretty good so you can't tell one or the other. A little pressure on that. Now me, especially a running board, I don't like greasy. It's dangerous, first of all, and honestly, I just don't like the look of it. So we're gonna rub all that in there. This stuff cut down now. Wipe that off real good. Level it out up there. You guys ready for the masking tape reveal? But it looks pretty good.